Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this glam going out look. This is the type of look I'll do if I'm like going out for dinner with my friends downtown, you know, that type of thing. Nothing too dramatic on the eyes, just some like bronzer and put on some lashes and a nice little lip and make sure the skin is popping. Please like the video, comment down below, let me know what you think. And please subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. And as you can see, I'm kind of on this like groove, so I'm gonna just keep pushing out these videos. But anyways, yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look right here, then please stay tuned.